Don't forget to like and subscribe. Where's the... Yeah, as I'm just waving this around. Hey guys! How's everybody doing? Today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. I'm not a FabFitFun partner or anything. I pay for my own box, so it's not sponsored. If you guys are excited to get into this unboxing, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This looks a lot like the spring box, but it had the butterflies all over it too. So, interesting. Well, good thing this is not... why am I nervous? Go one take, chit chat, get ready, type of me thing, whatever video, no editing. Yeah, and if that is up before this one, I will link that in the I and down below. Let's get into this. So at least this one I can edit. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that says spring. Show us your spring box. Well, share to win. Hashtag FabFitFun. Well, I got another one, a spring one, I guess. Yep. So, I already do have these. That's the little silicone straws. Repeats or anything, yeah, I'm gonna set aside for a giveaway. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I have a lot of stuff, so there could potentially be about 5 winners. So, share the video, get me subscribers. I already have this too. Yeah, so here's mine. Like, I already have this, so I don't know why I got another. I have a year subscription, so I'm an annual subscriber, so what else do we have in here? This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. I have this too. Rainbow Lip and Cheek Balm. It's by Winky Lux. Oh, jeez. I'm just curious, like, is it different colors or is it all just like one? So, if I do, this is like, oh, I don't know if it's gonna show, yep, okay. So this is like the little red one, over here it's all together, and down here, it's not really showing, that's the blue one. That's interesting. It's a pH balm, so, well. Oh, it's a mystery item. Oh, got a little mystery. What are you? From IGK, an expensive Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. It's vegan, cruelty-free, UVB protection, petroleum and mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free. Okay, so it's an in-shower treatment. Got an interesting smell. I have no room on my desk. Ooh. Wait, what's it? Oh, it's a brush. Shiny. I actually kind of needed a new brush. And it's like one of those detangling ones. I like it. I like this brush. That's exciting. I don't think I'm not even gonna. No, it's a Lux Chrome detangling brush. Oh, it is. It's Aria Beauty. That didn't look like an A. Kind of looked like a G. So draw. But no, it's Aria Beauty. Hold the brush vertically. Start at the ends of your hair. Oh, I already knew that. I don't know about the vertically part, but yeah. Okay, so we can actually get rid of that little guy. I hate this, not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh, whoa, those are... Got some packing cubes. Got the 3-piece. Well, this will eventually come in handy if we can ever travel again, because I still have a cruise voucher and a plane voucher that I would like to use, but not while this pandemic. I'm not trying to get stuck on a cruise ship for months. Yeah, I do feel bad for those ones that are still on there, but I'm not certified to speak about it, so we're not gonna say anymore. I'm sorry that they can't come home. Although, oh nope, thought that was sticking out. There's just like little flies that came off of it. Oh, these are cute, but how do I? For some reason, I thought they were like a plastic material and not like this, but that's cool. So it comes with like 3, so like a small, medium, and large. Shove this back in here. I know I'm making a lot of noise. My microphone's going. Leslie. Oh, I have this too. I was wearing these in one of my videos. So this is from Amber Seats. I was gonna say secrets, but no. So this will be in the little giveaway too, because I already have this. I don't need 2 of the same necklaces. I'm still better get a summer box. Because this definitely is the spring. It's a spring. I know, and well, everybody's already seen this one, so this is like way old. Anyways, it's still gonna go up. I mean, you could have got a bunch of other different things like this 111 skin, which yeah, I don't know, some ceramic bowls, some Tarte. Hey, I'm glad I didn't get that. So it's the Tarte drink of H2O. Here's a little sample guy. I already have that, so I'm glad I didn't get that. But you could also got like Myriad Rapid Collagen. I got the sweater, some Elemis thing. The sweater is 1B. Sweater's $99. Wow. The little packing cubes that I got, they are $40. What else do we got on here? We got the brush. The brush is $35. Our set of straws, $15. And then our weird little some Winky Lux Rainbow Lip, that is $18. The Cocoon Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, you were $40. Oh, I could have used a salt and pepper grinder. We ran out of... Quick story time. So during all like this pandemic and everything, we ran out of ground pepper. And obviously that's not a major necessity to go to the store just to go get. Well, we had peppercorn, but we don't have a pepper grinder. So this little pepper grinder thing, yeah, FabFit, that would have been so nice to have right now. I'm still a little confused, but I mean, I got some stuff that I definitely, well, I'm staring at this while I'm talking, sorry guys. But I mean, I got some stuff that I definitely I'll get use out of. I'm gonna try this. I do really enjoy this. I think this actually works. I tried the Dr. Brandt, no, not Dr. Brandt, Dr. Teal? No, I don't know, they have like all the bath salts and stuff like that, like the, I can't, I'll pop a picture in, but I cannot for the life of me remember what it is, the name. But, I mean, so I'm really excited just about these two, so that these two pay for the box itself. Yeah, it works for me. Oh, and the packing cubes. So, and the brush. Oh, I'm actually excited about a whole lot more. So if I saw this on the shelf for, what is FabFit? 40, 50, 45, 35, 85? 24, 45, 50, 49.95. I don't know. Do I have a code? Can you save $10? If I have a code, I don't think I do, and you can save like $10, I definitely will put it on there if you guys want to try out FabFitFun. It is also a quarterly subscription. This was supposed to be the summer box, but I don't know if they had a mishap in their shipping or something, and that's why I got the spring one again. So hopefully you guys will see the summer one on my channel soon if I get it. If not, you guys will know why. But again, 1,000 subscribers, about maybe 5 winners. I'm gonna go through all my stuff here in the next couple of days and kind of put like little bags together, because I'm shooting for that. That's my goal for hopefully, you know what is it, still the beginning of May? End of May. I will keep you guys updated. And that's gonna be it for this FabFitFun unboxing summer 2019, okay? And it's actually the spring 2009. Jessica, we in 2020. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the summer 2020 FabFitFun unboxing, but yeah, mine was the spring 2020 for some reason. Hopefully I'll get the summer one soon so I can unbox that for you guys on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. That's gonna be it for this video. Why? I'm using this like a microphone. My microphone's up there. Today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing for summer 2020. Don't forget to hit that. Don't forget to hit that. Don't forget to hit. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What? If you guys are excited for this video, hit that thumbs up. If you guys are excited to get into this video, no. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. What? I need, how do I not have? Now let's get into it. Oh, my kitty's left.